Hey guys, welcome to DreamCoin. It's Tyler again, and I wanted to drop you a quick video on document security systems because they're on a very nice dip right now due to everybody buying into volume for GameStop and AMC and all that hype right now. So DSS, especially with its long-term swing potential, I view as a very good buy point right now. It's at currently $3.50 roughly is where it's been sitting, 3.6, and wanted to give you some news that they dropped this morning as well as to why this is about to blow up real nice over the next couple months to a year for what they're going through. So as you can see here, they're on a very nice decline for today. They started around almost at $4 range, peaked above $4 slightly for a little bit, and then they dropped down here around 3.56 was their lowest. This is going to be a great buy-in for potential right now. This is probably the lowest it's been in a long time. You look for the last month, the last time it was anywhere close to this low was around the beginning of February. Here's what we're looking for coming back, and obviously it's peaked almost 5 multiple times, but I'm seeing it peak 5 sometime by the end of March at this rate. This is going to be a nice swing even if you're just trying to do short-term profits. But as of this morning, Document Security Systems reported that they have begun taking in stake from 2 investment banking services. This is huge, especially going alongside their merger that they announced a little less than a month ago, where they're looking to get FINRA licensing so they can do basically like brokerage firm functions with cryptocurrencies and things like that. But basically what this tells us is that they've become taking in a 7.5% stake of Westpark and 24.9% stake of BMI through a purchase agreement. If you guys aren't familiar with these companies, like I said, they're investment banking, but Westpark's full service investment banking securities brokerage firm, and it does both private and public companies worldwide. BMI is a private investment bank specializing in corporate finance advising, which could be useful for basically just like worldwide trading as well, but also in the sense that this could provide for an outlet to get into the corporate world for some cryptocurrency asset changes as well, with cryptocurrency blowing up recently and Tesla taking stakes in Bitcoin as a currency. Their COO obviously came out in full support of this and said this is a great opportunity to provide a conduit to propel widespread interest in our digital security exchange, which I agree. This is going to be insane news. This just blows up more. Like I said, this dropped at like 6:45 this morning. This hasn't even really hit mainstream news yet, especially with GameStop and AMC kind of taking over all the mainstream news. This is gonna be kind of like diluted for a little bit, so you're gonna have a nice buy-in point for this to swing pretty easily going forward. And as you can see here, there is a few price targets that have been going around with them over double digits as of the last few weeks, but the most recent one from an analyst is at $14 for a decent range for them to go. That's both a high and a low is what they said. The stock is predicted to have an upside of over 261% over the next year, and I personally don't even necessarily see it taking to the end of the year with the rise of crypto and everything. I mean, we're in February. This could be taking off double digits in the next like 2-3 months, in my opinion, going into like June, July. This is going to be very nice for a setup, especially with this new news as a catalyst for document security systems, especially with them saying that they're looking to obtain more assets in the future that are going to expand their business. And if they get that FINRA licensing, I can expect them to explode a couple bucks around when that happens. So it's going to look very nice for the company as a whole. I do think they are going to potentially hit that $5 range going towards the end of March, if not $6. And I do see this starting to push that double digit range over here over in the next like 2 to 3 months as we go forward. I just want to drop that quick video for you guys on DSS since I did my original video for it way back. I did predict that DSS was going to be blowing up at some point over $8 a few weeks back, and I still stand by that. Like I said, obviously I see it in double digits at this point, especially with the rise in cryptocurrencies and everything going through. If you guys have any other questions about it, feel free to leave any in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them for you. And I hope you can get in while it's fairly low right now, because I think this is the lowest it's going to be for the foreseeable future, especially as this news is dropping. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you next time. Peace.